This is your last chance to get your hands on a fossil egg. Tomorrow the countdown ends and the ocean egg will be released. Help us set a new world record and be in-game to watch the countdown hit 0. If you can't make it in the game, you can watch the countdown with us. Watch our live premiere on YouTube. We'll be in chat watching and reacting to the countdown with you. Hit the notification bell to get notified when we're live. The Ocean Egg Countdown will end and the update will be live at 3:30 PM BST, 10:30 AM Eastern and 7:30 AM Pacific. Look up 3:30 PM BST local time to find exactly what time that is for you. We'll see you there.